Hello guys, in this video you will see how I practice of English speaking. I am in the Saket Court right now and you can see the building, and I will show you something because of I am so early today because of I left my file in the chamber yesterday, so I came early. I am not ready. I am not in my advocate uniform because of there is a matter listed in a high court. So I go to the high court to carry that file. This is why I came here to carry the file, and I will take my file to my home first. Then I will get ready to the high court. Then I will go to the high court to carry that file. This is why I am come here to carry. Okay, now I will show you something. you know you can see the building, but now it's 8 a.m. right now, and there is no advocate in the building. Literally, I'm showing you, and you can see the sun, which is direct on my face, but leave it, just ignore it, because of it's sun is also necessary for vitamin D for few minutes. Not you don't sit in the sun direction for more time, you don't need, but you can stand or sit in the direction for few minutes. You can see the building, and now you will not see any advocate right now because of there is, you are seeing some staffs. These people are working here and there. This is the staff of the Saket Court, and you can see this is the garden area, and another one is there, and this is the entrance, entrance gate number 4 5, and gate number third is here. From gate number third you can come, and third and four you can come, but gate number two is behind the lawyer block. From gate number 2 only advocates can enter in the courtroom or court building, we can say court premises, we can say. But gate number 1 is only allotted, we can say, to the judges. But sometimes advocate can also enter or exit from that gate. But this is how I am learning, and I am just observing things. And there is a car who is somebody is driving to the parking, towards the parking, we can say. If we say to the parking, it means he is going to park the car, but I am not sure. This is why I am just saying he is going towards the parking. And now you can see so many trees are there, and different kinds of trees are there. You can see the road as well. Between the trees you can see the main road, but you can't there are lots of tree. This is why you can't able to see in a perfect way. But this is a road, and this is not a street type road. This is a main road, and you can see the building. This is a Select City Walk Saget Court. Select City Walk Saget Court. And now you can see something interesting. There is no building here and there, you can see, but exist. You can see I am not able to zoom this video. This is why. And now you can see there is two lady in front of court building. In that gate, from this gate, advocate can enter in the court premises, but not client. Client, if you know client wants to enter in the courtroom, so he have to enter from the main gate. Here is the main gate. You can see from that gate. From that gate, clients can enter the court building, but advocate can enter any gate of the main building. There are many, gates are there to enter in the courtroom, and you can see she is wiping the floor or ground. We can see some staircase, and there is a guy, and there is another lady who's talking to each other, and there are three guy come in a you know row, and there is another guy following them, and you can see there are two guys come with each other and talking to each other, and he and you can see the guy who is who have a dog, and he is walking with his dog in the courtroom, because of, I guess, he will be a judge, I guess, or he might be a staff of the court. This is why he is walking so early in the court. So now you can see this is how, and I am standing in a lawyer block. This building is lawyer block. This building is lawyer block because of this building is dedicated for advocates only. In this building there are chambers for only advocates. And now you can see this is the court building. In this building, actually, trial or proceeding happens. And now this is how I practice. You know what? When someone says to me, "Okay, why you call me? Why you give me time? Why you don't, meet to us?" Normally and usually we can say our friend says, "Why you don't meet?" We says, "I don't have time. I am so busy in my work. I'm a lawyer, so I don't have time to meet anyone, to call anyone." But you know what the reality is? The reality is I am just, from 11 a.m. today, I'm just watching reels and YouTube videos. And now it's 2 p.m. Around 3 hours, I'm just watching reels, and I don't even know how much time I am giving on social media. I don't even know. And I said I don't have time. I'm so busy. I have some kind of work to do so. So this is why I don't have time. I also said to my family, I don't have time. I have to do such and such work. But this is the actual reason where my time is going, and my time is going waste, because of there is no input I am taking from the social media. I'm just scrolling like this for my dopamine hit. This is not even putting myself to the my goal. My goal is my goal is to become but this is why I want to say कि social media is destroying our relation, our time is very important, because of if you don't have time, your relation will be bad, your work lifestyle will be bad, you can't be professional, because of if you want to professional, you have to work on time, you have to be on time. This is the actual reason. But you can see me, this is my condition right now. And I was like why no one call me, why I am not calling them, because of social media. Social media is so dangerous for our mind and growth and success. This is why I just realized, so I thought I should share with you all, so that you can understand if you are going to Instagram for watching only one or two videos, and only going to see the message, and you don't even realize that when you start scrolling and you think let's see for 10 minutes and let's see for 15 minutes, but you don't control yourself to scrolling up, scrolling, and this is how your time gonna waste. So focus on yourself. I am just putting down my phone because of I am on my English speaking journey. This is why I have to share to you, and this is my also duty because of I don't have so much topic to talk on. This is the actual topic, so that I just thought ki I have to share with you all. Now, see you later.